So hello guys, welcome back once again to where I don't rush in my solving, I don't skip steps, and I don't complicate things. Okay, I have another questions I want to solve with you related to the last rule I explained. The question is complicated, but the solution is very simple. Okay, so do well to like the video, share the video, follow, subscribe, invite family and friends. Okay, let's go there. Now, in this question, look at the diagram here. Don't be afraid of the diagram. It's very simple if you remember the rules, okay? Now, I'm asked to find, this is M, that is this small angle here. That's the angle I'm asked to find. I'm asked to find angle M here, and I'm asked to find angle N, this small angle here. These are the angles I'm asked to find, right? Good. Now, observe the given angles. Here, from here to this point here is given as 98. Now, study it. I have a radius from here, is from here. So that means applying the rules that says angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Now, what is the circumference that is created with this? The circumference, if you trace from this one here, I have this side and I have this side, but it is divided into two. Half of it, part of it, I mean, is 35 and part of it is M. That means I'm going to use this 98 to find everything here. That is, I will find this side, everything here. I will use 98 to find this side. So let me call it K. Let me call it K, okay? Good. So applying that rule to find the angle at the circumference, what we are going to do is that we divide the angle at the center. So my K is going to be what? 98 divided by 2, okay? Now, if you divide 98 by 2, what are we going to have? 49 degrees, okay? So my K is what? 49 degrees. That is the entire angle here is 49 degrees. Now, look at the shape again. If everything here is 49, 35 has been cut out from 49. So to find your M is going to be 49 minus 35. You see? That is how you are going to find your M. So 49 minus 35 is going to give us 14 degrees, you see. This is how to find this small angle M there, right? You see how simple it is by understanding the rule, okay? Now, the next thing is we are to find our angle N. Our angle N, mind you, it is this small angle here, not everything here. Everything is given as 98. It is this small angle here, and it is also angle at the center compared to the circumference. Now, I have from here like this is the radius, this is another radius, right, which form an angle at the center. Now this radius is related to which of the angle at the circumference? If you trace it, it's related to, this is M, this is like this, it's related to this part of the angle at the circumference, which is our M that we have calculated. So therefore the angle at the circumference, we are going to multiply it by 2 to give us this angle M. So therefore, to look for our N, N is equal to what? 14 times 2. So my N is equal to 28 degrees, you see. Very, very simple. It's just an understanding of how the diagram is. This angle N is from here. It's like the previous one, which creates an angle at the circumference with this one and this one, okay? You see how simple it is. So if you understood very well, like the video, share the video, okay? And also let me know at the comment section, okay? See you later for the next question. See, this question is also very simple. So bye for now.